guys, I just wanted to come to y'all with another unboxing video. Today we have the Nest Hello Video Doorbell. This was highly recommended by a friend of mine. One of the features that really made me choose Nest over its biggest competitor, which is Ring, the Ring doorbell, is that the Nest has 24/7 recording functionality, whereas the Ring only records when there is motion. And so it's really nice to have that continuous feed on your house, as well as it allows you to set up different areas of the feed, of the camera feed, and label it different things. So like if you want it to ignore motion from the street, if there's passing cars or whatever, then you can label an area called the street, and if there's any motion in that part of the picture, the Nest, you can set it up to not alert you, and then you can set up another area per se for your porch, where that's the area that you want to be alerted for, so you're not getting constant notifications. So that was really what did it for me. Um, just the security, the fact that I can know um, who is at my door 24/7, like that is really what sold me on this product. So um, me and my wife are moving into our house, and so I'm starting the smart home journey with you guys. And like I said, I want to do more unboxing videos. I've got a couple of other products that I am going to be bringing to these videos. And so let's just get this plastic off so that I can show you all the contents in the box. Throw this away. Inside the box, just open up the top here, and we'll see that right on top there is the Nest doorbell. Very slick looking black front. You can see the button here. When it is plugged in, this button does illuminate, which is really nice. Obviously has the branding there. We can take this cover off, and there's the camera. You've got a nice, I believe it's a 180-degree angle camera. Don't quote me on that, but it's got a nice camera on it. Does shoot HD video, I believe. So that is the Nest. You've got the connections here for your power cables, as well as I've heard that these QR codes, they coordinate with the application for easy setup. You just scan these barcodes and it automatically activates the device with Nest servers, which is really nice. One of the things about the Nest compared to the Ring, they both have subscription services, but the Nest has 3 different tiers. I believe it's a $5 a month, $10 a month, and $30 a month. And it's all based on the amount of video you want to keep at a time. So for $5 a month, you can keep 5 days of history, but you can also clip content. So if you want to save something to your camera roll for later, you can do that, I've heard. But it will keep 5 days of history. For the $10 a month, you get 10 days of that history. And for $30 a month, if you want 30 days worth of video history, that is available. So we're going to continue opening the box here. Pull this cover up. Looks like we've got possibly a manual here. Yeah, looks like some setup, how to set up your Nest thermostat, how to set, not Nest thermostat, sorry, your Nest doorbell. You have a security sticker, so you can put this on a window or something to let people know that you are monitoring the premises, which is really nice. I'm actually going to put that on my window. I like when the security, companies have those type of things. There's, a little chart of what all is in the box. So we're going to keep going through that as well. I'll set that here. along with the sticker. Put this over here. Looks like we have, they call this the chime connector. You can use this to connect to your existing chime box in your home so that it will ring over your chime box whenever somebody uses the Nest uh, doorbell. Also, they have given us an installation kit here, I believe. I've heard about this. There is a drill bit that you can use to um, drill necessary holes in any, the part of your house where you want to put the doorbell. They also have included some, looks like mounting, yeah, these are mounting anchors that you can put in the brick or the wall. So there's two of those. Um, Looks like they've included some screws for the mounting bracket, which we can see here. Actually, this is not the mounting bracket. This is the angle bracket. If you look at this carefully, you can see this side is raised, this side is not. So that gives you the ability to angle. I've heard that it's interchangeable, so you can do it, facing this direction or facing this direction, depending on how much angle you want to have or what direction you want the angle to be. These other little connectors are extension wires for the chime box, just because sometimes these aren't long enough to get to the correct connections in your chime box. They do include some extenders for that. So put those here. Looks like we've got the release tool here as well. It is stuck there and I don't want to lose it, but that is used to remove. They've got I believe it's one of these is a hole. I'm not sure where it is on here, but there is a release button that you push. I'm trying to see if it's, I don't remember. I would have to look at that to, it may be on here on the mount. Yeah, so this is the mount part. This is the part that you're going to mount to your wall or your house. And you can see on the bottom here there is that release button pin, one of those little pins that's there. You use that to release the Nest from the wall. So you put it in there first and pop that in and you're good to go. So, well, anyways, just wanted to show off the Nest doorbell. That's everything that's in the box. So subscribe to my channel. I'll put a link in the description below for Amazon so that you can buy this product if you want. I will be coming back in the future and giving you a review of the product, how I have used it, what I've felt is good, what I felt is bad, pros and cons. So be looking out for that in the next couple of months. So for sure, check out the Nest doorbell. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment to the video below. Y'all have a great and wonderful day.